if you're considering deadline funnel for your online course business, but you're not sure if it's worth it or if it's just another marketing gimmick, this video is for you. I will show you exactly why I recommend it to so many of my clients. Hi, my name is Nicola, and I help course creators make the majority, if not all, of their revenue selling online courses. And today, let's talk about Deadline Funnel. It's a tool I recommend to all of my clients, and I flippin' love it. It's a smart, legit way to create authentic urgency and scarcity. And if you want to give it a go, I've got a 20% discount off for your first 3 months of Deadline Funnel through my referral link in the description. So check it out and let me know how you get on. So the first thing that I really like about Deadline Funnel is that it gives people a reason to take action, and deadlines work, but they only work if they're real and enforced. A lot of countdown timers out there, they're actually fake. So they reset every time someone visits the page, and your audience knows they've seen it before. And when they see it with you, it really downgrades trust and makes them less likely to buy from you. That's what makes Deadline Funnel different, is that it's connected to your email platform so that when people click on the link in their email, Deadline Funnel gives them a unique link so that whatever you said on the back end, whether that's a 20-minute tripwire or an evergreen funnel, giving them 7 days to act, the deadline appears for them and starts when they click on that link. This means if they do not act, they do not see the offer again. And it creates that real scarcity that we really need in funnels so that it encourages people to act while increasing trust in your business. And the reason that these personalized deadlines are great is that you can use Deadline Funnel in your evergreen funnels. Typically, when we use countdown timers, we might use them for a live launch. In a live launch, everybody gets the same deadline. So let's say you were launching this week and it ends on Sunday. Everybody in your funnel, in your email list, on your sales page, would receive the same deadline so that they know this launch ends Sunday at 3 p.m. In an evergreen funnel, you may want to give people 3 days to act, and that 3 days is going to be different for each person depending on when they joined the funnel or joined your email list. And so you need a tool to give each person a unique personalized deadline. And that's why I love Deadline Funnel, especially in evergreen funnels, because it sets those individual deadlines for each lead. And that is a game changer for evergreen sales. You are getting the urgency and increased sales of a live launch, but you're not needing to constantly update, reopen the cart, close the cart, update the evergreen funnel in the back end. You just set whatever timer that you want in the back end, and then each person in your funnel is given the specific deadline depending on when they joined the funnel. So I've set this up for clients who wanted set it and forget it funnels that still feel time sensitive and still get that urgency and increased sales. And this is how you actually make evergreen funnels work, because people need a reason to buy now, and it gives them that urgency required to make a decision. The third reason I love Deadline Funnel is because it's really seamless to integrate with other tools that you're using. So if you're like me, tech is not my love language. I do not like using it. It does not like me. We just don't get along, and that is okay. So I really appreciate when tech is super easy to use and super easy to set up. And the good news is that Deadline Funnel plays very nicely with most of the tools that you already use. So whether that's ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, or whatever email provider that you're using, or you want to integrate it with ThriveCut, Kajabi, Teachable, Samcart, it works with those as well. Plus, you can also integrate it into your sales pages. So I use it right now on my website, which is on Squarespace. You can also use it on lead pages, WordPress, even ClickFunnels. And setting up a campaign is really easy. It takes literally minutes. I set up my first campaign myself for one of my evergreen funnels, and it literally took me less than 5 minutes. And the reason it's important that it integrates with tech is that you want it to play nicely with your tech, so that when people are joining in your email list, you want the countdown timer from Deadline Funnel to embed really easily into your emails and look nice and like it's part of the actual email. You don't need to feel separate from it. So it's really important that these tools talk together so that the countdown timer becomes a seamless part of the funnel and like it's always meant to be there. Okay. So these are the reasons why I love using Deadline Funnel. And yeah, I highly recommend it. It's a great tool just to work silently in the background, especially if you're running or selling courses online. So if you want to sell more courses and add urgency, I've partnered with Deadline Funnel to offer you 20% off your first 3 months. It's an awesome discount. Grab it at the link in my bio and let me know how you get on with it. I know for a fact that you are going to sell more courses with it. And yeah, let me know how you get on. If you've enjoyed this video, please and subscribe, and I will see you shortly.